Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to set custom ringtone on iPhone, so you have to follow all the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So first you have to download an application on your iOS device. From App Store, you just need to search for GarageBand, and this is the application that you have to install through your iOS device. For me, I have just installed it on my iOS device. Now, if you have done installing it, simply click on Open. I'm going to set my phone on frame, and from here you can see some options available like audio recorder, strings, bass. You can create some music, some tunes by this application, but we are going with audio recorder. You have to click on it and you have to give all the permissions that GarageBand asking for. Simply click on allow, and from here you can find a player that can recognize all the voice, that can record all the voice from through another phone or another source like another sound box, PC, or any other source through through your Apple device. Now you have to simply do some simple steps like click on the settings, and now you have to go to metronome and counting. You have to turn this off, like this one and this one. Turn all this off to avoiding any type of internal sound, and then you have to click on this block icon. Here it is. Simply click on this block icon and you will find this. It turned into a mic. That means you can enter any track that you want to use as ringtone or turn into ringtone for your iPhone. Now you have to click on this icon, this loop icon. Now after click on this, you can find Apple loops and files. Simply click on files and go to browse items for the files app. But first you have to go to settings first, and then make sure that you have set the timer here, tempo. Here I'm going to make it down. Now after that, it is going to, here you can see I have just set it for 8 seconds. You can see here you can click on this tiny plus button to expand this timer from here. But if you want to click on plus button, then you can simply click on section A here. Now click on this and you can click on automatic to capture whole soundtrack on this box here. And you can also set manually by, for example, I'm going to set it for 30 seconds, and 30 is plenty of time for set up a ringtone. For a ringtone, we don't need more than this 30. Now as you can see, I have just set it for 30 seconds, this soundtrack. Now you have to click on this loop button. Now in this file section, click on browse items from the files app. Now from here you just need to go to the file that you have set, you have saved the audio track here there. And for example, if you click on recent, from here you can find it. Simply click on it. Now it will take a little time, and you just need to hold it down and set this to the soundtrack here. And you can see it has automatically trimmed for 30 seconds. It has taken the first 30 seconds of this soundtrack or the song. Now you can just simply cut this by clicking on it, and then you just need to click on this, and from here you can see I just by this you can just trim this. You can just set this here and you can expand it for here. Now that's how you can cut the soundtrack as you want. After that, if you have got all the soundtrack perfectly, that now you think that you can use that soundtrack as your ringtone and it is not perfect from beginning to the ending, then you just need to click on this triangle button. Now click on my songs. Now it will start exporting to your device. Now after a short loading, it will save to your file. Now from here, wait a little to saving this file. As you can see, my file is now saved on my device, and now you have to hold on it. Now after hold on it, you'll find a share button. Simply click on share and you will find ringtone. If you click on it, it will create ringtone for your iPhone. Then you can use this soundtrack as ringtone on your iPhone. If you click on it, then you just need to click on continue. It might need to adjust. For this, you just need to decrease the length of your soundtrack. It's not a hassle. Then if you click on continue, then it will click on this, then click on export, and it will set this song or the soundtrack as your ringtone on your iPhone. That's how you can set custom ringtone on iPhone easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.